HTML paragraph. The p tag indicates the start of a new paragraph. P tag in HTML defines a paragraph. Anything mentioned within p tag is treated as a paragraph. Generally, paragraph element is used to publish text on the web pages. Now, let's see an example of the HTML paragraph. So this is the output of our HTML paragraph example. As you can see here that we used here three paragraphs. We use every paragraph content inside p tag. The p tag automatically add space before and after any paragraph, which is basically margins added by the browser. As you can see, this is our first paragraph and here it adds margin. Let's see how this works. This is the content of the first paragraph and this is the margin of the first paragraph. Now this is the content of the second paragraph and this is the margin of the second paragraph. Margins are basically spaces outside of the paragraph. Okay. Now browser automatically add a single blank line before and after each p element. As you can see here that every paragraph starts from a new line. So we can see that browser automatically adds a single blank line before and after each paragraph. Paragraphs are block level elements. Now what do you mean by block level elements? So this one is block level element. So every paragraph is a block level element by default. Now block level means taking the full available width. Okay. Now let's see an example of the element that is not the block level element. As you can see here that this doesn't take the full available width. So this is not the block level element, but this takes. So this is the block level element or paragraph element is a block level where this element is not a block level element. So this is the difference that block level element takes the full available width where non-block level elements doesn't take the full available width. So that's it. Or you can also say that block level elements always starts from the new line because it takes the full available width. The next element will always start from a new line. In simple words, block level elements take the full available width and it starts from a new line. Okay. Now let's see what happens if you put a lot of spaces inside the HTML p tag. As you can see here in this paragraph, we have lot of spaces. We have also added so many new lines. Now in outer window, you can see that browser has removed all extra spaces except the single one that is used for word differentiation. So what happens now, you easily can understand that if you put a lot of spaces inside the HTML p tag, browser will remove any extra spaces and extra lines while displaying the page. So that's it for the HTML paragraph. Now let's just quickly recap everything that we have learned so far about the HTML paragraph. So p tag is used to create paragraph in HTML. Generally, paragraph element is used to publish text on the web pages. So use of paragraph is to publish text on the web page. P tag automatically adds space before and after any paragraph. Browser add a single blank line before and after each P element, or you can say paragraph element. Paragraphs are block level elements. All paragraphs start on a new line. Now, if you put a lot of spaces inside the HTML p tag, browser will remove extra spaces and extra lines.